What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today we're going to be talking about AgEagle, and of course we have to. There's no other reason why any other video should have been made on this day, and the reason is because $200 million. That's all you need to know. I could cut the video right now and call it a day. $200 million, guys. This company has zero long-term debt. They're going out and they're going to make a monster move. We're starting to see some, I guess you could say, division, starting to see some separation when we're going to talk about drones and drone companies. And we're going to dive into that for sure. But 200 million, guys, if you're interested, stay tuned right after this. Before we start talking about, well, AgEagle, drones, $200 million, and everything that is purely exciting about this, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I could not believe it. Honestly, we are just coming off of an acquisition that was announced for roughly $23 million and obviously some stock. We're talking about MicaSense, and we were all satisfied, we were all happy, we were all very excited as AgEagle investors to see that because of everything that MicaSense is going to bring to obviously AgEagle. You're talking about some amazing sensors, you're talking about things in multiple sectors that it's going to provide. I mean, it really truly was a big deal. On top of that, you're talking about major connections, major networking, and really a lot of deep ties that could lead back to a ton of e-commerces. I think you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But now we're going to take it a step further, and we see an absolute news article that is just dropped, and it is unbelievable, guys. So $200 million is now going to be something AgEagle has to play with. I mean, they truly have the ability to go out and really do a big time move. They can make a massive acquisition. They can do a huge partner. I mean, the just mind just starts going. It starts working. You start thinking about all the opportunities that this company now can do with $200 million. They have zero long-term debt. So obviously, like I said, the wheels started to turn. I think that there's a good chance you're going to see something to go along the lines of a manufacturing or an assembly aspect. I think that there are some other things that we could obviously see, like a big time acquisition, maybe in something that is military related. The only reason I say that is because I started thinking we have something very, involved with package delivery. So you have basically the entire box in Valkyries. So that's a 2-year partnership. That's a 2-year contract. That is there. Valkyrie's going out. They're getting, moves done. They're doing all kinds of good things. So that is already there. You have obviously the hemp overview. You already have the package delivery aspect. So that thing is kind of covered. Now, if you do have a major e-commerce that comes swooping in and is really needing some drones manufactured, you're going to have to do it in mass order. You're going to have to do it in big time bulk, and you're going to have to get those things functioning and rolling out. So it makes sense that that's an option. The reason why I'm leaning towards the military is because we don't necessarily have that government entity right now. We don't have that military aspect as a drone relation. So if you look at it from a competitor standpoint, Alpine Ford Technologies, they have obviously Impossible Aerospace as a subsidiary, and they obviously have the Air Force contract. And obviously when you start talking about Dragonfly, I mean, they're also a competitor, and they are competing in a lot of other things as well, like agriculture. They went out and got the United States Department of Agriculture as a partner, and got them, participating in some things. So AgEagle really needs to take that step and really just impress and just show everyone like, hey, we're ready to go. We're ready to do this thing. And I think that that could potentially be an option as well. I'm excited to really get your guys' thoughts, because $200 million is a lot of cash, guys, a lot of cheddar. And with a company that has zero long-term debt, they're looking to make a massive move. So like I said, I'm really interested to see what you guys think. Comment down below and let me know what companies you think could be acquired. Maybe a partnership, maybe another major e-commerce that you can think of that could potentially be doing something. I'm really excited to see. And like I said, $200 million, guys. So now what I'm going to talk about is really kind of something I've already hit on just a little bit, and it's something to think about. I'm starting to think drone companies are starting to really separate themselves. You're starting to see who really is leading the way, leading the charge, and obviously I'm gonna have them grouped. I'm gonna have to say AgEagle, Alpine 4 Technologies, Dragonfly, and then it seems like the rest is going down there. And so I just have to sit there and say, what are each one of these doing, and what is each one? Why are they becoming, what the leaders of their industry? So really, it's self-explanatory, guys. Alpine 4 Technologies is just crushing it. They're doing massive, massive things when it comes to the drone sector. A lot of people are extremely excited, and I am too. I'm an investor in Alpine 4 as well. The amount of stuff that they have going for them, the leadership that they have in Kent Wilson is just unbelievable. And so honestly, you can say Alpine 4 Technologies is a ferocious monster inside this sector. Then you have Dragonfly, who is doing some amazing things, led by CEO Cameron Chell. Obviously you got to think, this company is doing some amazing things when it comes to the pandemic. I mean, they're transporting the vaccine in a very, very cool box that is attached to the drone, and it's capable of carrying the vaccine. Could that in the future become something that is carrying food, pharmaceuticals, medicines, package delivery? I mean, it could be an endless opportunity with that. So that's something to always keep in the back of your mind. But like I said, they're still fighting the pandemic. They're partnered with Nightscope. They're doing some cool things with robotics. I mean, the list goes on and on. Alabama State. I think I just saw Talladega College. I mean, they're doing all kinds of things. So you're really starting to see some separation when you're talking about drone companies. So this is all beyond exciting. So I really just wanted to provide this video to you guys and really just kind of put that out there and just get your guys' thoughts. I asked for a lot of your guys' comments, and I really am interested to see what your guys' thoughts are. I know a lot of people are all about Alpine 4 Technologies. I know a lot of people are about AgEagle, and I do know a lot of people are starting to carry Dragonfly. There's still Takeoff, which is Drone Delivery Canada. So a lot of you guys have been commenting, and I appreciate it so much. I really want to know your guys' thoughts. So put them in the comment section. I appreciate you guys swinging by and checking out this video. This one is definitely going to be a quick video, and I really just wanted to get a lot of more of your guys' opinions out there. I really wanted to get your guys' thoughts as we start to see a separation. But I also really want to get an opinion on what you guys think AgEagle is going to do with $200 million. Alpine 4 Technologies just did something very similar in $170 million. But when you look at Alpine from a big picture, they have obviously 23 subsidiaries, I believe, possibly even more than that. And so there's a lot of avenues they can go with that 170 million. They could easily go out and acquire a company that isn't related to drones. We understand that AgEagle is at least going to be doing something for that sector. And so that's why I decided to really focus on their 200 million. So I appreciate you guys swinging by, checking out this video. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.